All right, everybody. Thanks for joining today. I'm going to talk to you today about the Connect Project Challenge as well as the Review It Forward campaign that we're doing. So let me go ahead and bring this up for you. So the first thing I want to talk today about is you might have seen the UiPath Connect Contest Challenge. This is actually posted on the forums. So what the project challenge is all about is with the recent launch of our Connect platform, where you can create projects, collaborate with other users, you can set up a rich user profile. What we decided to do is we are going to give 100 people who create a new project on Connect that makes it through our moderation process a $20 Amazon voucher. So if you want to, you can head right over to Connect. This is the site right here, so connectuipath.com. And if you want to create a new project or component, all you got to do is hit this simple little plus arrow and you can start creating it. The project does not have to be completed or finished. It can be an idea for something you have, some type of inspiration or something that you need help with. So super simple, just create a new project so others can see it. They can collaborate with you. They can work with you. They can get some inspiration. So again, 100 users are going to get a $20 Amazon voucher for just completing and submitting a project as long as it makes it through moderation. And there will also be additional prizes for the Connect Challenge. So we got some special categories, as you can see. There will be one winner per category. These winners will receive a $50 Amazon voucher instead of the 20. So the first special one is the project with the most followers. What do I mean by that? If you go to Connect and you search for a project, I will pull it up and go into this one right here. You can see the follower count right here. And let me go into another one. So this one has 7 followers. This one has 6. So this is how we're going to decide the winner for this one. If you want to follow a project, all you have to do is find the project, and here you'll see that I unfollowed it. If I want again, I can follow the project. So this is how we will decide the project with the most followers. Second will be voted by the public. So what this will be is we will actually be hosting a poll on our community Slack channel where you can vote for one of the projects submitted during this contest. And the winner with the most votes will receive the $50 Amazon voucher. We also have special categories for social awareness. So this will be focused on any type of project that focuses on social awareness, campaigns, anything that you want to alert people to and kind of get the voice heard about this cause. Get crazy with it. This is just a special one that we wanted to throw out there with have some fun. So whoever comes up with the most unique, craziest, brilliant idea, we will award them again with a $50 Amazon voucher. The MVP choice, so this will be decided by our MVPs. So if you are on UI Connect, you can see our most valuable professionals right up here. So what we'll do is we'll send out a poll to them and let these MVPs decide which Connect project they think is most deserving of the $50 Amazon voucher. And there will be also the final category will be a UiPath choice. This will be decided by UiPath. Anything that meets a special criteria or kind of inspires us or we think is really unique and collaborative, we will be sending them a $50 Amazon voucher. Could there be other criteria for UiPath choice? Might we award more than one? Absolutely. It depends on what we see submitted. So the only rules are is when you create a project, make sure in the title you add 100C to whatever you decide to call your project to make sure that way we can filter it and find it a lot easier. There is only one voucher can be claimed per user. And that's about it. You know, you not only have to participate in the contest, you don't have to. You could just follow other users, follow projects, set up your profile, whatever you like. And if you would like to see this post, all you have to do is head over to our forums, and it will be under the Connect filter. You can see on the forums, we have a lot of people engaging. If you want to communicate with anyone, if you have any questions for me after this, you can always reach out to me here, and you can tag me, and I'll be happy to answer and reply to you. So if you do want to see any of the projects that we have submitted so far, all you have to type in here is 100C. And you can see the projects that have been submitted. So we have robot notifications, Evil Robot, Mom 2.0. We've got about 5 pages worth of submissions. We can see some have no followers, some have a good amount of followers. So if you want to win that project with the most followers, $50 Amazon voucher, feel free to get here. Oh, wow, this one has 43 followers. All right. So that's just an easy way to kind of filter projects that have been submitted. And again, it'll be a $20 Amazon voucher to 100 people that submit projects. And again, the $50 Amazon voucher for any of the special categories here. So just to let you know, so today is the 22nd of May. This contest will close this Friday. So that will be the 25th, I believe. 24th, sorry about that. It'll be the 24th. This will close. We won't be accepting any more submissions. And this is kind of when we'll start with the voting. So expect next week you'll see the poll launched on our Slack channel when you can start voting for your favorites. So if you want to participate in this, remember, it could just be an idea, some type of inkling of something that you want to do, and just post it out there with the 100C tag. And that way we could see it. So again, 100 users. And the next thing I want to talk about is this new initiative we have going called Review It Forward. So this is actually going to be for UiPath Go. So if you've seen Go, so Connect is all about creating projects and interacting with other users. UiPath Go is where you can download components for UiPath software and download them for free and implement them and test them out. We have about 400 components available right now. So what this Review It Forward challenge is all about is basically your opinion has a direct impact on the creation of new valuable Go components that you and the community are going to enjoy using. Also, the authors of these components, they greatly appreciate your input, your feedback, the time you take to leave a review. So in order to encourage more reviews, we're going to decide to have some fun. We're introducing the Review It Forward campaign instead of Pay It Forward. So this is going to be a community-wide challenge. So with this challenge, we want each component to have at least 2 reviews or more from you, the users. What we did for this actually as well, we used to have a badge. If you reviewed 10 components, you would get a badge for your profile for gamification. We decided to lower that to 5 so more people can earn the badge and display it on their profile. So if you review 5 components on the Go Store marketplace, you will receive this badge. So if you want to see any of the components available, go uipath.com. You could see a list of all of the components. We have over 400. So you could see some with no stars, some have some reviews. So we want each of these components to have at least 2 reviews. You guys are great. We know you really are really into this. We want to see these reviews, help guide the direction of the Go marketplace. Just remember that you can only leave reviews for components you have actually downloaded. So I am not able to review this one because I haven't downloaded yet. If I want to download it, all I have to do is go right here and do a direct download or add it right into UiPath Studio. And if you want to check out any of the projects, the components, clicking on each one, you'll get a little overview, some media, the benefits, dependencies, compatibilities. If there's any questions, you can get a little information about the author of the component. Additionally, if you want to see which components you have already downloaded but you forgot, you can head up to your profile actually right here. And all you have to do is go to My Components. And you could actually see a list of components you already downloaded. So if you just click on one of them, you'll be brought to each component and you'll be able to leave a review. So if you haven't downloaded anything yet, nothing will be available within this list. So just create an account. You'll be able to download. If you have already downloaded components, this is the spot where you'll be able to see it. So again, this is all about the Connect Project Challenge. Just create a new project on Connect. Be one of the first 100 or 100 to submit a project. So you have the $20 Amazon voucher. And if you actually win one of our special categories, you'll get a $50 Amazon voucher. The contest is going to be closing this Friday, so you still have a couple of days to submit your project. Again, it doesn't have to be fully completed. It just has to make it through our moderation process. And lastly, again, review it forward. So if you could take the time, look at some of the components you've downloaded, leave a review for the author. They really appreciate it. It also helps guide the direction of the Go Marketplace and future components that'll be posted out there. If you do review 5 of the components on the Go Marketplace, you will receive a badge on your gamification profile, which you can always see on Connect. So if I go to my account, you'll be able to see your gamification badges right here. You can click view all achievements. So when you get that 5 reviews, the badge will be displayed right there. And again, if you have any questions, you can ask them in the live chat now. You can also reach out to me on the forums afterwards in this little category here. I'll send a link to it in the live chat so everybody has it. Make it a lot easier for you. So let me send the link to that. And I will also include the link to the Review It Forward campaign so you have a little bit more information. So I'm going to answer some questions that I see coming into the live chat here. How many ideas can we submit? You can submit as many ideas as you want, actually. Submit as many ideas as you want. But again, each user can only win one of the Amazon vouchers. So yeah, please submit as many as you like. I'm sure if you have a lot of ideas, go ahead. If you only have one, don't worry about it. Can a project win in more than one category? Yes. Well, yes, a project can win in more than one category. If it could be most followers, and it could also be voted most popular. So yes, a project can win in more than one category. Another question I see coming in, I'm registered on Connect. How is UiPath Connect different from forums? So forums is all about Q&A. If you have any questions about how to do something on UiPath software, how to implement something, or how to basically solve any type of issue you're having, forum is the spot to do it for a Q&A. That's where a lot of our super users are. The people on forums are extremely knowledgeable. They are happy to help you out. They're truly brilliant in what they do. So if you have any questions, that's what the forum is for. Connect is all about social collaboration around projects. So if you want to create something and work on others with it, so I'll actually show you. I'll go to projects and I'll go into UiPath Talk. So you can see you can get a little bit of information about the project. You can get a description of it, the activity, the followers, the collaborators, the applications it uses. And if you want, you can follow the project. You can help the author create the project. So it's more about collaboration and working together on Connect as opposed to Q&A and ideation on forums. Additionally, Connect is all about having more rich user profiles. So you can include more information about you. You can include links to your social media, your website, any work you've done. You can list where you're located. So this is just a little bit more personal, a little bit more social with other users. You can also see who's following you and who you're following. So this is a focus on social collaboration around projects and interacting with other users and having a rich profile. Let's see, we have other questions. Let's see, let me see what we got here. Hello, people who submitted on a project challenge, can they use the same idea, improve it, and submit it to the hackathon? Let me get back to you on that one. Let me see what the rules are for the hackathon. I actually have somebody I can reach out to and get that cleared up for you. That's actually a really good question. So I will be sure to reach out right after this and get an answer for you, Juan. So don't worry about that. And I'll reach out to you and let you know what the rules are around that. All right. So that's kind of all the questions. That's all the questions I'm seeing coming in right now for this. Right now, if you have any others, please feel free to submit. But again, the Connect Project Challenge will end this Friday. So if you want to get your project in there and qualify for the $20 Amazon gift card, go ahead. Please submit. You could submit as many projects as you want. And so starting probably around next week, probably Tuesday, we're going to open the polls so you can vote on your favorites. If you see any projects on Connect that you want to follow, please go ahead and follow them, support the creators of them. And please also check out the Go Marketplace. Leave reviews for the authors, the creators. They appreciate it. And your reviews will help guide the direction of the Go Marketplace and what components we'll see in the future. So I want to thank you all for joining me today. Again, if you have any questions, you can go to the forums and to the link I have included to see it. Anything. And I actually got another question. What's your favorite Connect project? So that's actually a pretty good one. I'm trying not to be biased as I'm running this this kind of project challenge. So let's see. There's actually some really good ones on Connect. I actually really like. Let me see where it is here. I actually like the UI and Path Empower Women. I think it's pretty cool. Let me see if I can share my screen for you again. So it's encouraging women to contribute, participate, have fun in the UiPath ecosystem. It's a good community. So this is all about closing the gender gap in technology. I think this is a really cool project. Of course, everything I'm seeing so far is super creative and really interesting. I could never come up with anything like that. So I'm really excited to see where voting goes, what other projects are going to be submitted. And I'm just going to kind of be interpreting the results. I will not be voting. I will be a impartial judge for this. All right. Other than that, that's all I have for today. I want to thank everybody for joining again. Again, you have the links to the Review It Forward campaign and the Connect Challenge. So please, if you have any questions, you're welcome to reach out to me there. You could also check out the other posts and get more active on the forums, Connect, Go, whatever you feel best fits you. And I hope to see you out there and looking forward to everybody's creations. Thank you so much, everybody, for joining today. Everybody have a great day.